Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Mr. Beam's MB530, a battery-powered motion-sensing LED light that truly stands out as the best beams light available today. This innovative lighting solution is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it incredibly versatile. With a sleek, compact design, it seamlessly fits into any space, whether you need it in your hallway, on your stairs, or even in outdoor areas like patios or walkways. One of the standout features of the MB530 is its wireless installation. You can set it up in under 5 minutes with the included mounting hardware. No need for complicated wiring or professional help. Just grab a screwdriver, and you're good to go. This feature is a game-changer for anyone who wants to enhance their home's safety without the hassle. Now, let's talk about performance. The MB530 boasts a powerful 35 lumens of bright white LED light, providing ample illumination in dark areas. The light has a motion detection range of up to 15 feet, meaning it activates as soon as you approach. Plus, it features adjustable auto shut-off settings of either 20 or 60 seconds, which conserves battery life without compromising convenience. Imagine walking into a dark hallway, and as soon as you step in, the light turns on automatically. It's perfect for late-night trips to the bathroom or navigating stairways safely. This light isn't just bright, it's smart too. With built-in light sensors, it ensures that the light only activates in low light conditions, prolonging battery life even further. The MB530 is also weatherproof and UV resistant, so you don't have to worry about placing it outdoors. It can withstand various weather conditions, making it an excellent choice for external pathways or garden areas. And with a coverage area of over 120 square feet per fixture, it can light up larger spaces effectively. Additionally, the MB530 features an optional glow mode. This allows the light to emit a soft glow when not activated by motion, providing a gentle marker for stairs or pathways, great for ensuring safety without harsh lighting. Whether you need it for a dark corner in your home or as an outdoor security measure, the Mr. Beam's MB530 checks all the boxes. Its sleek design, ease of installation, and reliable performance make it a top contender for anyone looking to improve their lighting solutions. So, if you're in the market for an effective and stylish lighting solution, the Mr. Beam's MB530 is undoubtedly worth considering. It's easy to install, efficient, and adaptable to various environments. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay safe and illuminated.